This is worth recording. It's going on Facebook. Look at him go, look at him go. Yeah, buddy. Oh, see. Oh, see. Woo! Between the three of these. Yeah, look at, oh yeah. And they're doing it on cobblestone. I feel like that's hard.
Yeah, that's not cardboard.
Yeah.
Like, that's just fucking impressive.
Yeah. Look at him go. Carrie, how do you feel about this going on right now?
I don't know. I feel not talented.
Not talented. Q! More!
See?
Q! Charlie Brown! Yeah! Oh, he's not done yet. Oh, there, no, he's done. No, he's not done yet. He's like Charlie Brown. Oh, brother, get out of the way. I'm trying to see him. Oh, my brother.
Wait, I want to go swimming with this.
Yeah, where's alcohol? Where'd he go? Oh, shit, he's over here.
Alright, as long as someone else is on the same page.
Look at him go. Oh, yeah, eh?
Wow.
Look good, feel good, wheel good right there. That's good. That is a good...